And he's returned. Did you find a long enough screw?
I think so.
Let's see if you've gotten it. Ow.
Keep the big clodhoppers out of the way.
I mean, if it can support you, we should be safe.
I don't know if that made it or not. Wouldn't really take a lot. I mean, I didn't miss it. It doesn't need to really do anything, just keep it from shaking out. It's the only purpose of it. So, I'll let that down. So, I think it's vacuum it up and try putting your mattress in here. And if it works, then I'll work on putting the shelf up.
And in the test of time, does it support more than one person?
So what I'm thinking, instead of trying to build some
so you're putting
more you put in there, the more it stresses.
So you're putting in like a big sock.
Just have it up to right here, from about here to here, and you know it stretch out maybe to here. You can get a lot of crap up in there.
Yeah, instead of like making a strong
and
material.
Then you put a piece here and then run it over to here and just pack more over there too.
It's a good idea.
And got power up here.
Yep.
There's the power supply.
Thank you. That'll be a miracle. I really got tired of getting up and down to charge that phone.
Power supply. Put it somewhere eventually.
That's nice because I really got tired of
All
trying to get
right,
up and
ladies
down.
and gentlemen, there's AJ's Bunkaroo.
And it's supporting the both of us, so it's in decent structure.
Yep, that's the side with the strap going. I'll sit on that side over there. That's the side with the latch. So
There would be the latch.
Yep, that's the side with the latch. So we'll have to get this vacuumed up so he can get his brand new quilty thing in here without getting it dirty. See how it all fits, and if it fits, we'll take it back out and work on making the stocking. But I'm going to put my tools away. I'm done for the day. My legs are spaghetti. But I achieved what I wanted to achieve, and that was putting in the lower bunk where I can lift it and not get a hernia no more, because Ken and Tammy, Ken, a big guy, he's probably a foot taller than me, and he's big and strong, so that bunk was nothing for him. But for me, it hurt me a couple of times lifting it up. So anyway, so that's solved. I won't have to worry about that no more, because I got those shocks in that plastic pan, so now it should lift up. I mean, it's not going to lift up without a little bit of strength, but it'd be a lot easier. And then this thing, it's an actual bunk from an actual truck, and it's not homemade from a bedroom door like the one in the Black Freightliner. So this is kind of cool, and plus it won't be too bad to look at while you're driving. Or not, you can't drive down the road while I'm sleeping, but while I'm sleeping. So, and besides that, I'm not really looking at much while I'm sleeping. So
besides, I mean, you'll probably be up there driving while I'm up here asleep. So
yeah, and I still got to build him some shutters. On his last bed, I had what was that?
Like a big fishnet up through here.
Led Zeppelin or something was up there. A blanket.
Yeah, it was the Led Zeppelin blanket, and then I changed it out with a Kirby one, but you'd originally put the Led Zeppelin up there.
It had like a bungee going across the top.
Yeah.
You was able to pull it shut.
Right.
But I had curtains on this. It had the button on, but this truck didn't come with those. So, I don't know. Probably have to figure out something to cover those windows up with. But I can always just make a big bag over here and you can stack your clothes in here. That way that'd cover it up too. So.
Yep, because I remember on the Black Freight Shaker, right through here, I had this big bungee cord put up and I just hang everything on it.
Wow. So there's going to be a lot of hangy stuff. You can see all my groceries went up there. So I'm going to use the cabinet doors and close all that in. So when I hit a bump, no pans or anything comes out and hits me in the head while I'm driving.
Yeah, imagine a cast iron skillet hitting you in the head.
Well, the roads are so bad, you know. It wouldn't take much to get that stuff to fly out of that cabinet. So
cast iron skillet could knock you out.
Yeah, it'd be very abrupt to be driving down the road and get hit in the head with a pound of Italian zesty dressing. Be like, whoa, whoa, that wasn't very tasty.
Oh, crap.
That's a good sign. That means it's holding weight. When you hear it's going to stretch a few times before it actually... That's cool.
Oh, I thought that noise meant it was popping or something.
No, you heard a little tear.
Mm-hmm.
It just means you got weight on it. It's okay. It's not going anywhere. If it does, it won't go nowhere. It just bend. I mean, it's all connected.
Fair enough.
This is just to hold it all level, so you're not rolling out of your bunk. So, and it looks pretty level to me.
Yep.
I think this side is actually lower than that side. I don't know why I can't seem to get that right.
But still, even that, it ain't bad. It feels like it would be level enough. Even if it's not perfectly level, it's level enough.
Yeah, well, see, I'm a kind of a...
OCD?
I gotta fix this cabinet, too. So, accidentally put your foot on that. No, I'll do it. I'll drill it one more time. I'll put it up a little bit higher than it's supposed to. That way I know for sure that's up level.
You're a little...
Again, it's not supporting anything. It's just to keep it level.
You're the OCD
the
person.
support is back there where those bolts are back there.
Right,
that's
right.
Where and the shocks, they're doing all the holding the bunk up. These are just to keep it level.
Got it.
And while you're sleeping, you want to be kind of leaning towards the wall so you're not rolling out of the bunk. Going down the road at 70 miles an hour and hit a bump, boom, you hear a boom. You look back and there's there, you go, well, seeing stars all over the place. What you doing down there, buddy? Oh, I was dreaming about drinking a milkshake, and the next thing I know, I'm seeing stars. Oh.
Or, you could just throw a fishnet from here to here and it would keep me in.
Yeah, well, I did that on the last truck.
They kept me in on that one, didn't it?
Yeah, remember I tested it for you?
Yeah, remember I actually got on top of it?
I fell and I was hanging right here.
Mm-hmm. I remember that.
I had to dig myself out.
That was funny.
Well, I had to test it and make sure it held. Yeah, it did. It held me up. So it holds me up, it'll hold you up.